Hi everybody, I'm Erin Reed from Art and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to plant some garlic from little bitty bulbs like this to grow into giant bulbs like you see here. Alright, so first thing is you can either get store-bought garlic like you see here, or you can use your previous harvest of garlic. You're going to want to pull off one of the cloves, just like this. Leave it in the stem and keep in mind where the root is. Dig a little hole right where you want to have your garlic. Pop it in about an inch deep and cover it up, water it, and then let it grow. All right, we're gonna give this a few months to get growing, and we'll come back and show you what they look like as they get a little bit bigger and what a garlic scape is all about. So I love to plant my garlic, and as they grow larger, here you can see they're growing nice and large, and at some point they're gonna grow a little garlic scape. So garlic is awesome because it helps fend off pests and other bunnies and other things because the smell is a deterrent. But you don't want them to grow the scape like this. You want them to push down and get to the bulb. So what you need to do is just come in when it gets to be about 6 to 8 inches long and just snip. And then you can cut this up. You can treat it just like it would be a piece of garlic. This is the flower inside of here. And so just add this to whatever your cooking normally would be. It adds a wonderful flavor, nice and mild. You can leave it whole, so you can have a whole bunch of these stewed together, or you can chop it up and just add it to your tomato sauce or whatever kind of cooking you would normally add your garlic to. All right, so the garlic is ready. It looks like it's all kind of withered and not doing much. So basically just kind of, you can check it to see how big your bulb is. And you can kind of pull the dirt away. And you can really start to see how big the bulb is right here. So just gently start pulling the dirt away. And there it is. Now you get all these little kind of tiny pieces on here. I just pull those off and kind of throw them back in and see what they're going to do. Here is your garlic. You want to wash this off and then let it dry in the sun. You can hang this upside down from the leaves here, or just let it sit on a table, and then it gets that nice hardness, which allows you to keep it at shelf stable for a long period of time. So here is my harvest of garlic for this year. It does take about 8 months to grow from when you first plant the bulb into the ground until you're ready to harvest for the following year. It's super simple. You can even buy bulbs from the grocery store and pop them in. And if you plant a larger bulb, you're going to get possibly a larger head of garlic, which is what we have right here. And these little guys that are here, these are just the bulbs that haven't quite fully developed. So I could have left it a little bit longer, but it was looking pretty dead on the top, which is when I pulled them. And like I said, it takes about 8 months. So right now it is May here in Texas, and I planted these in the summer, so back up 8 months. So I put these in back in October, let them go through the winter because we don't have very many freezes. They are freeze hardy, and they start popping up little shoots come about February or so it does take a little bit of time. You can't keep putting in your garlic every year and you get an amazing bunch. It's awesome. So I'll be saving some of these bulbs to be planting come the end of the summer. So about September, October time frame, I'll be planting my new bulbs. So to dry my garlic, I hang it on a trellis, and I just use the long stems, kind of trace it through and let it sit for about a week or so in the nice hot sun as we get warm and warmer, and then it'll be ready to eat. Thanks so much for stopping by and learning how to plant some garlic. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye everybody.